Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. Features also include parking assist system, leather seats, adaptive cruise control, panorama sunroof. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Cadillac XT5. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, premium sound system, keyless start. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.